Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can import products from Wix to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to any sites where you have the products, click on select and edit site, and then you're going to be able to go to your Wix dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, first of all, go to catalog here in the left, give it a click, and then here you're going to find booking services, pricing plans, and so on. And you should find your products right here. As you can see, guys, in this dashboard, I found the product. So basically, guys, just click on products, and then here you're going to find a list that includes all of your products on Wix. So once you're here, all you need to do, guys, is go to the top, click on more actions, and then here you're going to find export or import. So go ahead and export your physical products to a CSV file, give it a click, and then you can either choose all or the selected products. Click on export, and then wait for the export to be finished. Once the export has finished, as you can see, guys, it's gonna be downloaded. So once you download the products file, go to your store on Shopify. And then once you do that, all you need to do, guys, is go to products here in the left. And after that, you're gonna find the import option right here in the top. Give it a click on add file, and then add your uh, catalog products like this. Click on open, and then you're gonna be able to upload it. Click on upload, and that's just wait for it to be added. Click on import products, and then wait for it to load. And then the products are going to be imported. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.